The 5 secrets of why you procrastinate. In this tutorial, you will learn the 5 secrets of why you procrastinate. First, you doubt your own abilities of doing the project well. Many people will question their abilities of doing a project or task well, especially if they do that project or task quickly. They think they have to slow down to ensure that the highest quality work is done. But this is simply not the case. You can complete high-quality work quickly if you believe in your own abilities to do high-quality work quickly. Second, there is not enough challenge or interest in the work you are doing. As a result, you procrastinate and take forever to do the work that can be done much quicker. If your mind continues to wander toward other things while working, such as what you will do when you get home after work, or what you will do this weekend, chances are high that the work is not offering enough challenge or interest to keep your mind focused on it. Third, some other matter or subject is diverting your attention away from your work. It could be a matter or situation involving your family or relationship, a sick relative or friend, a bill that is about to be due, or something of this nature. This can cause your mind to not be focused on your work, which is critical for you to do your best quality work in the shortest amount of time possible. Fourth, you like the pressure of everything piling up on you at once. You may be the type of person that likes the thrill or pressure of everything coming at you at once, which is why you procrastinate in getting your work completed in a timely fashion. When time runs short and you still have much left to do, you feel more excited and/or more focused on completing the work. The main problem with this is you have to rush to complete the work in the time allotted, which can detract from the quality of work you do. Fifth, you feel that you should put your maximum or only effort into your work and nothing else in your life. You may be the type of person who feels that everything should go into your work, but not into your personal life, relationships, relaxation, and other activities. As a result, you slow down and meticulously put everything into the project you're working on. While you may achieve high-quality work in the time allotted for a project, you're depriving yourself of other achievements and goals in your life, and it would be possible to achieve them if you sped up your work, which could still be done at a high, acceptable rate of quality. Now you know the 5 secrets of why you procrastinate.